Hi friends. Okay, it's a little later in the afternoon. The temperature here in North Carolina reads 102 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's a little bit warm. What I did was I went and got a little oscillating fan. It seems to help, believe it or not. So, change of plan. I'm no longer going to use these big ones, but I am going to make the L shape. And how you do that is you put them like this, and that's why it's called L shape. You do this, like this here, and then you put you drill it here, here, and here, 4 places, and then you put the screws in there 4 places, and if you want to, you can use the glue to make it a little bit sturdier. And that's what you do. So I'll be right back.